friends, welcome back to my third part of Jeep rigging series. In our first two parts, we have learned how to create the control curves for wheel, bonnet and doors. In this third part, we will be going to be creating the control curves for steering, upper body of the Jeep and main global control for the Jeep. So let us start working in Maya for that. Let us start creating controller for our steering first. Creating a steering controller is not that straightforward, like you just create the curve and connect with the steering using a connection editor. We will be controlling our steering using a bone. So make sure you are in the rigging menu set. Now go to the skeleton and create joint. We will be creating this joint from the side view. Go to the wireframe and create the joint. We will just require one joint here. First thing, we will reduce the radius to 0.1. Now make sure to place the bone to the center of the steering. Once we are happy with the placement, we will change the orientation of the bone to match with the steering. For that, go to the component mode by pressing F8. Click on this question icon for the miscellaneous component. You can see one handle appear on the bone. You will need to select that handle and rotate to match the orientation with the steering. Something like this. Now go back to the object mode. Now we will need to bind the steering with the bone. For that, still your bone is selected. Shift, select the steering. Go to the skinning, bind skin option box. We will just reset setting and click bind skin. Now you can select the joint and check with the rotation. The steering also rotating with your bones. Here we don't need to rename the bone as we are just using one bone in our scene. Now we will be creating the control curve for the steering, which will be control the steering. For that, go to the create nerves primitive and create the circle. We need to snap this curve to the bone. For that, first we will go into the show menu and click none. This will not going to display anything. Now go to show again and click nerves curve and joint. Now snap this curve to the joint by pressing V and middle mouse drag. Now we will rotate this curve to -90 on x-axis. Now show all object in the scene. Place the curve in front of the steering and reduce the size of the circle. Once you are happy with the placement, delete the history, freeze transform and center pivot of the selected curve. Now we will rename this curve to steering controller. Now we will connect the curve with the bone using a connection editor. For that, we need to go into the window, general editor, connection editor. Make sure to load the curve on left side and joint on the right side. We have to control the rotate Z here. So first, expand the rotation on both the side and connect the rotate Z. Minimize the connection editor. Check with the rotation. With the curve, our steering also rotating. Next, we have to create the controller for the upper body of the Jeep. For that, go to the create and create the circle. Move the curve to place the middle of the Jeep, something like this. Now use the scale tool to change the shape of the curve as per your requirement. I will be happy with this shape. We have to delete the history of selected curve, freeze transform and center pivot. Rename this curve to upper body controller. You can see here I have created the separate group for the upper body. This we have to connect with the curve. We have to follow the same process. First, open the connection editor. Make sure to load this curve on left side and upper body to the right side. We have to connect both translate and rotation here. So first, expand the translate and we have to connect the y-axis. Now expand the rotation section and connect all three axes of the rotation. Minimize the connection editor and now select your curve. You can see it move on y-axis and rotate in all three axes. Next, we have to give the limitation to this curve. For that, go to the attribute editor, under body controller, expand the limit information. First, we will control the translation. We need to control the translate Y. We want it should not move down more than this. This will be our minimum position. Set the limit. Now we want this should move up this much only. This will be our maximum position. Set the limit. Check the limitation is working or not. In my case, it's working perfectly. Now we will set the limitation for the rotation. We will start with rotate X. We want it should rotate forward this much, 2.5. This will be our max rotation. Set the limit. Now change amount to minus 2.5. This will be our minimum rotation and set the limit. Now check with the rotation. Next, we will go with the Z axis. This should rotate this much, around minus 3.5. Minimum rotation, set the limit. Change the amount to 3.5. Maximum rotation, set the limit. Sorry, it should be 3.5. Now check again. Now in y-axis we don't want to rotate, so set the min and max limit to 0. You can see it will not move. So here we have finished giving the limitation to our upper body controller. Next, we will creating the main global controller. Before creating our main global control, we have to make sure to arrange the hierarchical structure of my Jeep. For the example, you can see here, this is my wheel group and this is my wheel control curve for that wheel. So what we want here, this curve should be grouped under this main group. Okay, so this is very simple. What you have to do, middle drag the curve under the wheel group. Now you can see when we select the main surface, main group, it select the curve also. We have to do this same process for other remaining wheel. Start with front right curve that we have to drag under right front wheel. Next, back right curve, drag that under right back wheel. Now back left curve under left back wheel. Now you can see here we have grouped all the wheels. Now we will do this same process with other part of our Jeep. we will start with the bonnet curve. You can see here the bonnet group is under the upper body. So drag this bonnet curve under the bonnet group. Cross check once. Next, left door curve that we have to drag under the left door. Now right door curve that we have to drag to the right door. Same we have to do with the back door curve. Select, drag to the back door. Now we can see here almost we have grouped everything perfectly except these two curves. So first we will select the front wheel curve. We have to drag this directly to the upper body group. Same with the upper body curve, drag that also directly to the upper body group. Steering is left here, so select the steering curve, drag that also under steering group. Now here we can see that we have grouped everything under the upper body except those wheel. Here you can see under the outliner the single group for the Jeep model, which we can select as an entire Jeep, and upper body as a separate group inside that main group. And same time all the controllers are working perfectly. Now let us create the main global control for our Jeep. For that, create one more circle, scale the circle on the same position. Now I will go under make nerve circle 1 tab and change the degree to linear and section to something 5, 6. Go to the component mode and scale these 4 vertices inside and these 2 vertices outside. Define what shape you want here. I will be happy with this shape. Now we will delete the history, freeze transform and center pivot the selected curve. Rename this curve to main Jeep controller. Now we will drag the main Jeep group under the main Jeep control curve. Now we can control this Jeep using the main global control. So here I will finish my Jeep rigging series. I hope you enjoy watching this Jeep rigging series. If yes, then please like my videos and share with your friends. If you want to watch more this kind of tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the notification of my new videos.